Hello, welcome back to Maths Experts. We are back to give you all the details, methods, all the tutorials that you need to solve your mathematics questions, all the motivations that you can solve your mathematics questions without panic. Don't forget, we always say that mathematics is life. We always say that mathematics, we can't do away with it. Let's always try to be with mathematics always, and I promise you, you will never regret. Now let's look at what we have today. We realize that we started with sets. And we can also notice that or realize that way back in JHS or basic school, we were doing 2 sets problem. Now we will start with 3 sets problem. We should also note that sets can be represented on any diagram at all. It can be a rectangle, a triangle, a square, a circle, any diagram at all. We can represent our set on it, and that is the Venn diagram. Now, looking at this Venn diagram, you can also remember we talked about the universal set, that it is the big set under discussion. In our Venn diagram, the universal set we'll pick is Ghana. Okay, the country where we are now, Ghana. We'll pick Ghana as the universal set, our universal set. Now, under the universal set, any other small set that will come under the universal set, we'll be talking about the languages that are being spoken in Ghana, the languages we speak here in Ghana. So we talk about 3 languages. We'll talk about the Ga, we'll talk about the Chi, and we'll talk about the Ewe language. So these 3 languages is what we are going to look at under the universal set, which is Ghana. So let me, for instance, say that we'll be representing these languages in 3 circles. We'll be using circles. So this, and this. So let's say this is our Ga, this is our Ewe, and this is our Chi. Now let's look at something. I will use different colors to paint. So our Ga should take red color. I'll shade it with red. Our Ewe should take blue. I will shade it with blue. And our Chi should take green. I'll shade it with green. But let's not forget our universal set to be Ghana. Okay, the country called Ghana, where we are staying, that is Ghana. Okay, good. So you realize that this is one set, another set, and another set. So these sets are the people that speak Ga. These sets are the people that speak Ewe, and this set happen to be the people that speak Chi. Now let's draw our Venn diagram and put these 3 languages in it and see. So these are Venn diagram. So these are Venn diagram. So the first here we have the Ga, we have the Ewe, and we have the Chi. These are minutes. We have our Ga here. We have our Ewe, and we have our Chi. So let's not forget that we said our universal set is Ghana. So we have our U to be GH, which is Ghana. Now I'll be using my different markers to shade them. Let's notice correctly Now let's look at the gun. The gun is red, so we are using red to shade the first circle. So we use red to shade our first circle. Now when we take ewe is blue, so we are using blue to shade it. When we take tree is green, so we are using green to shade it. Now let me name the regions. We have region number 1 here, region number 2, region number 3, region number 4, region 5, 6, 7, and we have region number 8. Now let's look at all this. You realize that when we pick gun, it is being painted red or shaded with red. But when we come here, you realize that the circle gun, apart from the red, when we take region number 4, 7, and 6, realize that region number 4, there is green going into the red. When you take region number 6, there is blue going into the red. When you take region number 7, there is blue, green, and red all together there. So it means that this is telling us something. This is telling us something. Now, the region number 1 is talking about only those who speak only Ga. You realize that although we have different languages, but we also know that when we pick Ga, the whole of Ga is painted or shaded with red. But you realize that when you pick region number 4, region number 7, region number 6, there are other colors they are equally in Ga, but other colors have entered into it. That will send us to a word called intersection. I'll briefly explain intersection. So intersection is telling us that when we have number 4 here, region number 4 here, it means that there are people or citizens in Ghana that speak Ga and speak Twi at the same time. So when you are calling those who speak Ga, they are there. When you are calling those who speak Twi, they are there. So the intersection, it means that an element that belongs to two sets is an intersection. An element that belongs to set A and the same element belong to set B happen to be an intersection. So the element is here and is here. So when you pick region number 4, you realize that it's in Ga and it's in Twi. When you pick region number 5, realize that it's an intersection of what? Ewe and then Twi. If you pick region number 6, it is an intersection of Ga and then Ewe. If you pick region number 7, it is an intersection of Ga, Ewe, and Twi. All the 3 sets, they have people that speak all the 3 languages. That is region number 7. Now let's look at something. Me, for instance, if they want to consider me, I'll be considered in region number 4 because I can speak Ga and I can speak Twi at the same time. So I'll be considered in region number 4. There is someone there, a citizen who can speak Ga and then Ewe will be in region number 6. Another citizen who can speak Ewe and Twi will be in region number 5. Another citizen who can speak Ga, Ewe, and Twi will be in region number 7. Now, if you pick region number 8, it means that these are citizens that does not speak any of these 3 languages. You realize that we also have the Frafra language. We also have other local languages in Ghana here. But these people, they don't speak any of these 3 languages we are talking about. They speak other languages, but that other languages are not here. But they are also citizens. So they will be in the universal set. They will be in the box, but will not be in any of these sets we mentioned. Now let's look at something. If you want to find people who speak Ga in general, all the Ga language, it means that you add 4 here, 7 and 6 and 1. So you add 4, region number 4, region number 7, region number 6 and region number 1 for all those who speak what? Ga. If you want to talk about only people who speak Ga, then it means that, which is region number 1, only region number 1 speak Ga. Only, which is region number 1, only region number 1 speak Ga. Only the red shaded speak Ga. Red without anything, they speak Ga. So how do we find this? It means that we take the population of the whole of the Ga and we pick the region number 4 from it, region number 7 from it, and region number 6 from it to get only region number 1. So if we want to find region number 1, region number 1 is equal to the whole of Ga. The whole of Ga minus, so we have region number 4, region number 7, region number 6. If you want to find region number 1, this is how you do it. Now the same thing, if you want to find region number 2, which is Ewe, it's the same thing how you do. So we have Ewe in general minus, so we have this intersection plus this intersection plus this intersection from the whole of the Ewe. Now if we take 3, which is to find region number 3, so it means people who speak only 3. So we have the whole of 3 minus, so we have this intersection, and this intersection from the whole of 3 to get region number 3. So we now know how to find region number 1, region number 2, region number 3. We now know how to find it. Now if you want to find for, that is for only Ga, Ewe and then 3. If you want to find for this intersection, then you know what to do. So it means we have this, we have this. Then it means finding this intersection is very easy. Remember that this intersection, we have another intersection here which includes these two. So it means finding this intersection is very simple. This and this as well. Let me say this. Set is not any difficult topic. It is just the application of knowledge. And when we apply a little knowledge to it, we are good to go. That is why I said stay with your math tutor, stay with math expert. We'll give you all the details, all the methods that you can solve this without panic. We will meet again. Don't forget to like, follow, and share what we are doing. We will see you again. Bye bye.